just going to work through this exercise. It's 8D on the first maths book. So the first question literally is x cubed. So I'm just going to do the same thing over and over again. If you need a specific question, just go to it. B 24880. I am also checking these as I go along just to make sure. And that may be why there is some slight discrepancies. I just did this one. My computer for some reason bugged out. See, 1, 6, 15, 20. I might be making mistakes, but I'm doing this in my head, but I will check this on a calculator. Calculator setting is NCR, where N will be 6 in this case, and R will be 4. 6, 4, 15. So 1, 2, 3 is 20, yeah. So I did do it right. 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3. Squared minus x cubed minus 20x cubed. That is correct. This is going a lot slower than intended, you know. But that's because I have to rub everything out after it. So this is D 1, 5, 10, 10. Times 4 times 27. 1080. Perfect. God damn it, Disney Plus. Disney Plus just stopped loading. Okay. 110. If you're following on with this, fair enough to you, because I wouldn't be able to follow this. It's just if you need an answer. 1 to 10, 1 to 9, 1 to 8, 1 to 7. X to 0, x to 1, x squared, x cubed. That one, 120. And it is 120. Yes, it is. Perfect. Keep working, Disney Plus, please. Okay. F 1, 6, 15, 20, 3 to 6, 3 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 3, minus 2x to 0, minus 2x to 1, minus 2x squared, minus 2x cubed. 20 times 27 times minus 2 cubed equals 20 times 27 times minus 2 cubed minus, yep, 20. F G 1, 20, 20, 190, 1140, and x to 20, and that's 1, so 1140. Perfect. H 17 C 72 21. Is that 40? 35? Oh no. 47, 46, 45, 4 to the 4, minus 3x to 0, minus 3x to 1, minus 3x squared, minus 3x cubed, times 4 to the 4 times minus 3 cubed equals, times 4 to the 4 times minus 3 cubed equals, I just need to check this answer, minus 24192. That's not how you write numbers. 241920. That's how you write numbers. Perfect. Okay, next is I. 1, 6, 15, 20, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus half x to 0, minus half x to 1, minus half x cubed, 20 times half cubed, 20 times half cubed, minus 2.5. Is that correct? Yep. I J 1 7 21 35 3 to 7 3 to 6 3 to 5 3 to the 4 half x to the 0 half x to the 1 half. This would be a lot quicker if I wasn't writing it all out, but it's good practice. 3 to 4 times half cubed equals times 3 to the 4 times 0.5 cubed equals 354.375. I have to check these while writing them out, and that's why they may take a while. J, next is K, 1, 8, equals 8, 2, 28, 3, 56, to the 8, to the 7, to the 6, to the 5, to the 0, cubed, 56 times 2. Why the hell is Disney Plus not working? Work, god damn it. The only reason I'm doing this is because, why not? Minus 224. Yeah, the only reason I'm doing this is because if I forget how I did something, I can just come back to this and remember. And L, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 to 5, 5 to 4, 5 to 3, 5 to 2, a fourth x to 0, a fourth x to 1, a fourth x squared, a fourth x cubed, 10 times 25 times a fourth cubed is at 1 over 64, 5 squared times 1 over 4 cubed, 3.90625, and I should write that better, just in case someone's using it. Perfect. So that's all of question 1 done. Question 2. Coverage of x squared in the expansion of blah 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 is that. Find the two possible values of x. So that's 1, 6, 15. Yep. 2 to 6, to the 5, to the 4. Ax to 0, ax to 1, ax squared. So for this one, 15 times 2 to the 4 equals 240. So 240 a squared equals 60. 240 a squared minus 60 equals 0. So then a equals, just using a calculator, 0 minus 60, and that gives you plus or minus a half. Perfect. This takes longer to rub out there, just actually do it. 3. The coefficient of x cubed in that 1, 5, 10, 10, 3 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 2, bx to 0, bx to 1, bx squared, bx cubed, this one. So that is 90, b cubed equals minus 720. So that means b cubed equals minus, I should be able to do this in my head. I can do this in my head, but minus 8. B equals minus 2. B equals minus 2. Perfect. 4. Okay then. Coefficient of x cubed in this is 30. So 1, 4, 6, 4. 3 to 4, 3 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 to 1. X to 0 minus ax to 1 minus ax squared cubed. So 3 to 4 is a1. Yeah. a1 minus 4 times 3 cubed is minus 108ax plus 6 times 3 squared, 54 a squared x squared minus 4 times 3, 12a cubed x cubed, and then 2 plus x. So that means this one times the 12 one. So that means minus 24a cubed, and this one times this one, which will be 54a. No, it won't. Yes, it will. 54a squared x cubed. That's x cubed. So minus a cubed plus 54a squared equals 30. A equals I shouldn't be doing this with distractions on in the background. Yep, that's wrong. I'll be back with a correct answer. Never mind, that was correct. I just checked the mark scheme. It's just the numbers didn't look right. So the answers were plus or minus root 105 over 8 for the method. Just rewind and type that in your calculator. It was correct. It's just distractions and the number looked like cancer. 5a. 5a, when p is that, blah, 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 x squared is that. P is bigger than that. Find the value of that. Okay, then so that goes 1p, pc2, and we're looking for x squared. So 1, 1, 1, because 1 to the p, it will be 1 anyway. Then minus 2x to the 0, minus 2x to the 1, minus 2x squared. So we only care about this column, so that is 4x squared times pc2 equals 40. So that means this divided by this, pc2 equals 10, p equals 5, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, because obviously Pascal's triangle 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10. Second one is binary 0, 1, 2, obviously. Okay, so erase all of this, blah, blah, blah. See, like, I would love to edit this, but it's a CBA. Just do maths in it. Okay, so now we know that P is 5. We know that that goes 1, 5, 10, 10, because we need x and x squared. So 1 to the 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2. 2x to 0, x to 1, minus 2. 1, 4 times minus 2, minus 10x plus 40x squared minus 2 cubed minus 80x cubed equals minus 10 minus 80. Done. What's next? 6. 6a. Find the first 3 terms, blah, 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 blah. 1, 30. C, 32. 4, 35. 5 to 30. 5 to 29. 5 to 28. Px to 0. Px to 1. Px squared. I should have read the question before I started. Oh. Final expansion that. First 3 terms. 5 to 30 plus 30 times 5 to 29 px plus 4, oh god damn it, 435 times 5 to 28 times p squared x squared. Done. And then x squared is twice the 29 times the coefficient of x. So this is 29 times that. So 435 times 5 to the 28 times p squared equals 29 times 30 times 5 to 29 times p. So divide both sides by p, cancels out, cancels one of that out. So that'll give you p. And now I'm going to divide all of this by this, equals 29 times 30 times 5 to 29 over 435 times 5 to 28. You could say put that in your calculator, but I won't return anything. So 28, and that will cancel out to 5. And now you can put that in your calculator. So 29 times 30 times 5 or 435 will give you 10. I want to rub this out. So the answer for P is 10. Is that correct? Yes. Yes, it is. That was more difficult than every other question we've done so far. Okay, 7a. Find the first 4 terms in 7 powers. 1, 10. I'm pretty sure it's 45, but I'm going to check. 45 and first 4, so I don't know the next one. 1, 20. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, qx to 0, qx to 1, qx squared, qx cubed. By the way, these are all qx, the whole thing. 10qx plus 45q squared x squared plus 120q cubed x cubed. Perfect. So in the expansion, blah, 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 the coefficient of x cubed is 180 times the coefficient of x. So 120q cubed equals 180 times 10 is 1800q. So that means type that in your calculator. Cube setting 120, 0 minus 1080. That, and that gives plus or minus 3. Yep, I see why. Because that says 108 times. So that means that will be 1. This is where you check everything on your calculator. That will be that. And if you type that in your calculator, that will be 0 minus 1080. 0 plus or minus 3. Perfect. It's just numbers reading. No, that was B. Yep. So 8A. Find the first 3 times in ascending powers of blah 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 blah. So 1, 11. I don't know this one off by heart. Is it? It'll be 56? 55. That was a close guess. Then we're doing 8, yeah. P1, 1, 1. Px to 0, px to 1, px squared. So 1 plus 11 px plus 55 p squared x squared. Perfect. So that's binomial expansion. First 3 times in the expansion are that. So p equals 7 because 77 equals 11p. Should write that down. Perfect. And q equals 55 times 7 squared, where the 7 comes from p, which is there. So q equals 55 times 7 squared, which is 2695. Is that correct? Please be correct. Yep. Oh, we're nearly done. This is a long exercise, you know. Jesus. 9a. Write down first 3 times in the expansion. 1, 15. Inverse chords. There's no inverse chords. That was a complete and utter lie I just made up. That, so 1, 1, 1, px to 0, px to 1, px squared, 1 plus 15px plus 105p squared x squared. That is the first 3 terms. And now, given that the coefficient of that, so that's 15p equals minus q, and the coefficient of x squared equals 5q, so 105p squared equals 5q. Okay, that's interesting. So that means minus 15p equals q. That means we can put that into here. 105p squared equals 5 minus 15p. 105p squared. 5 times 15 is 75 plus 75p equals 0. And then this shouldn't need a calculator, but it does. So minus 5 over 7 for p. Yep. And now what does q equal? Substitute that back in. So 15 times minus 5 over 7 times minus 1. 75 over 7, which can be written as 10, 5 over 7. Calm. And final question. This is like a 20-minute exercise. Jesus. 10. Binomial expansion that x to the 9, so that's 30c to the 9 and then 30c to the 10. This is 1, which is lovely, but that means we can have that. And then x to the 9 and x to the 10. So p and q, find the value of, so that means that we are literally doing 30c10 over 30c9, which if you actually type in your calculator, I am pretty sure you won't get an answer for, because it's too big maybe? No, you do get an answer, and the answer is 2.1. And that is this exercise. Like and sub please, because this took a long time.